The name?
My name is Timson.
Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In revolutionary France, who were granted exclusive rights to vote?
Property owning man.
When did Napoleon invent Italy?
1797.
What was viewed as obstacle to economic change and growth by new commercial classes?
Custom duties.
When were the conservative regimes set up?
1850.
Name the Italian revolutionaries from Genova.
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Who said when France sneezes, the rest of the Europe catches cold?
Duke Metternich.
What marked Greece as an independent nation?
Treaty of Constantinople.
Which of the following treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation?
Treaty of Constantinople 32.
Who hosted the Congress of Vienna in 1815?
Duke Metternich.
Which of the following states led the unification of Germany?
Prussia.
Who was Count Cavour?
The Chief Minister of Italy.
Who was Frederick Sorio?
A painter.
How did the Karol Kurpinski celebrate the national struggle?
Opera.
Women were admitted in Silesia in the Frankfurt Parliament, converted in the Church of St. Paul, but only as
Observe.
Okay. Who were the Junkers?
Largest landowner.
What was Young Italy?
A secret society.
Who was proclaimed the King of United Italy in 1861?
Victor Emmanuel II.
Name the act which resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain.
The Act of United 1707.
What were the contributions of Grimm brothers in nation building?
Fairy tales.
What is an allegory?
Abstract idea.
The most serious sources of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871 was an area called
Balkans.
Who followed the policy of golden mean?
Louis XVI.
Napoleonic Code was introduced in the year of
1804.
What was Hilaria Felice?
A secret society.
Who founded the revolutionary militia Red Shirt?
Garibaldi.
Who was Frederick Sorio?
A painter.
Which year was known as the year of dear bread?
1884.
Name the state which led the process of Italian unification.
Prussia.
Who said Cavour, Mazzini and Garibaldi? 3. Her brain, her soul, her sword.
Judge Meredith.
Wolverine was a
custom union.
Who followed the policy of blood and iron for national unification?
Ottoman Bismarck.
United Kingdom of Great Britain came into existence in the year
1707.
Who said that Italy was merely a geographical expression?
Duke Metternich.
Which one was not included in the Balkan region?
Spain.
In which century nationalism emerged in Europe?
20th century.
Who was the king of France at the time of French Revolution?
Louis XVI.
Which one of the following states was ruled by an Italian princely house before the unification of Italy?
Sardinia-Piedmont.
Who among the following was also known as colons?
The French Revolution living in Vietnam.
Who among the following formed the secret society called Young Italy?
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Who among the following hosted the Congress of Vienna in 1815?
Duke Metternich.
Who among the following was proclaimed the first king of United Italy?
Victor Emmanuel II.
Romanticism refers to
cultural movement.
Which of the following countries did not attend the Congress of Vienna?
Switzerland.
Who will Prodeo king of Otted Italy in 1861?
Victor Emmanuel II.
Napoleon invaded Italy in
1790.
Identify the French artist who prepared the series of 4 prints visualizing his dream of a world from the following.
Frederick Sorio.
What type of conservative regimes were set up in 1815 in Europe?
Autocratic.
A large part of Balkan regions was under the control of
Ottoman Empire.
The allegory of the German nation who wears a crown of oak leaves was a
Germania.
Who was responsible for the unification of Germany?
Ottoman Bismarck.
Who emphasized the nation of a united community enjoying equal rights under a constitution?
La Patrie, the fatherland, and les citizens, the citizen.
A government or system of rule that has no restraint on the power exercised is called
absolutely.
Who became the king of the United Italy in 1861?
Victor Emmanuel II.
Who was proclaimed the Emperor of Germany in 1871?
Vortimer Bismarck.